Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need the headset charged on Wi-Fi and the Meta Quest mobile app signed into the same account. Once ready, open the app and tap Devices, then select your Quest 2. This targets the headset settings for parental controls specifically. Make sure you are using the account that set up family supervision so the controls are visible. Now navigate to the Family or Parental Controls section. This is the first actionable screen where you can see supervised accounts, PIN prompts, and toggles to change. Once on the Parental Controls screen, tap the supervised account or the main parental entry to view active restrictions. You will be prompted to enter the PIN. This prevents accidental changes, so enter it to proceed. After PIN verification, toggle off restrictions or adjust each setting, content filters, purchase approval, and app access, then confirm changes. Taking these steps removes the enforced limits. If you want to keep some controls, change only specific toggles, rather than disabling every. After saving changes, restart your Quest 2 to ensure the headset receives updated permissions, then test by launching previously restricted content. If settings don't update, sign out of the Meta app and headset, wait a minute, sign back in, and reapply the changes. Syncing can fail temporarily. If you can't remember the parental PIN, the account owner can reset it through the Meta account recovery flow. If that fails, a factory reset will remove supervision, but will erase local data. So use that only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.